Hey, what's that, Sat? This is the letter D, and it makes the D sound. Let's get learning.
Oh, hi there, it's Mr. Luqui and welcome to Learning with Luqui. And if you're wondering why I'm under this table, it's because I'm pretending it's a den. I hope nothing scary is inside this den. Oh, hi there! Oh, hi there, Sat!
Oh, you seem to be making a sound we'll be learning about today. This is the letter D, and it makes the D sound.
Oh, the D sound?
To make the D sound, you have to make a loud sound where your mouth sends out an explosion of air with your tongue tipped up. Listen to Mr. Luqui and see if you can make the D sound.
D. D. D.
Now you know how to say D.
Wait! But how do we write the letter that makes the D sound?
To write your letter D, start in the middle. Bring your pen round, up, down and flick. Let's give it another go.
Thank you for showing us how to write the letter that makes the D sound, Mrs. Luqui. But now it's challenge time for you to complete. There are going to be 5 objects, and you have to find all the ones that begin with D.
Okay everyone, I'm going to need your help to find all those things beginning with D. Let's go!
Let's see which objects Sat has for us today. We have dice, a donut, a horse, a ball, and a door. I'm going to give you 10 seconds now to find all those things beginning with D. Good luck! Let's see which ones begin with D. Donut, door, dice. Well done everyone, we found everything beginning with D. Delightful!
Whoa! You passed my things beginning with D challenge. Now it's our reading challenge using the sounds we know. I'm going to show you a word and you have to sound out the word and read it. I bet you and everyone at home can do it. Remember to look out for those sound buttons.
Alright everyone, I hope you can help me sound out this word that Sat has given us. Remember, let's sound it out slowly and blend the sounds together to make the word. And let's look out for those sound buttons to help us. And here's our word. Okay, let's do it everyone. D, I, D. One more time. D, I, D. Sat! It says did! We did it!
Whoa! Well done, Mr. Luqui and everyone at home for sounding out and blending those sounds together. I have one more word for you before I go. You all are getting amazing at sounding out, and I know you can do this one too. Keep it up, everyone!
Here's our next word. Let's sound it out slowly and look out for those sound buttons, and let's blend those sounds together to make the word. Let's start. D, I, P. Ooh. Let's do it one more time. D, I, P. Dip! Sat, it says dip. Oh, and I forgot to buy the dip from the shop.
Yay! You and everyone at home are getting so good at sounding out all these different words using all the sounds we know. However, I must go now, and I'll see you next time to learn a new sound. Bye, Mr. Luqui. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Sat! Wow, we learnt a new sound today from Sat, the D sound. But I've got to go now too, so let's recap what we've learnt today with Mrs. Luqui. Bye, everyone!
What sound did we learn today? This is the letter D and it makes the D sound. Can you all make that sound at home? Now listen out for the D sound in these words. Dinosaur, digger. Let's sound out this word together using the sounds we have learnt. D, a, d, dad. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can see more of Mr. Luqui learning his phonics. Now you know the D sound. Divine.